morning, everyone.
So there we go. So right now we're looking at the storm surge forecast along the coast, and we're kind of using a backup computer here. And you can see it's still a major factor along the coast right now. 5 to 7 feet near Morehead City. Wilmington is going to be getting some of that storm surge, especially as you look towards Wrightsville Beach in that 7 to 9 foot range. And then the values actually go up in some of the inlets a little bit as you get that funneling effect. Of course, around here, the rain, the wind are going to be a major factor as we head through the rest of the day, especially farther to the south. Changes, if you are just kind of waking up because the wind is howling outside your door, you're hearing some rain on the rooftops. Yeah, there is some rain moving into the triangle as we speak. It's not going to be enough to cause any flooding problems in the short term, but we are going to be tracking additional bands of rain to move in, especially still Sand Hills, southern coastal plain for those heaviest rain amounts as we head through the next couple of days. So significant rain amounts still on the way. Let's take a look at what is happening with the wind gusts as they are happening right now, and hopefully the other computer doesn't crash. This is fun, live TV. Here we go. Okay, so right now we're looking at the coast. We're going to try to get some data on the triangle here momentarily as things are continuing to evolve. The storm is still offshore, technically, but moving closer and closer to actually making landfall with that center of circulation. And some of the heaviest rain bands are right now just beginning to move onto the southern coastal plain. So these are the wind gusts along with the radar overlay. And you can see those wind gusts along the coast, 66 miles an hour, and that is enough to do some damage. Anything over 58 miles an hour actually triggers a severe thunderstorm warning when we're talking about normal thunderstorms, but that's still not quite hurricane strength just yet. You look down the line there a little bit, some of the buoy data, 76 mile an hour gusts, and that is definitely hurricane force winds. It's a Category 1 storm. It's going to weaken further once it makes landfall, but it's producing still a ton of rain. Doesn't matter what category it is in terms of the rainfall. It's going to continue tracking closer and closer to the shore. You can see that path of the center of circulation getting closer to Wilmington, but as we expected, still remaining offshore until probably just after the sun comes up this morning. But Wilmington getting inundated with rainfall. Our crews there are going to be getting those whipping rain bands. And if you've ever been in a tropical storm, you know that the raindrops are not the ones associated with summertime storms. These are ones that are most like sandpaper. It's kind of an exfoliating effect for you. Tropical storm warning in effect for the orange shaded counties, including Wake County, Harnett County, Chatham County, up into Franklin County, Nash County, Edgecombe County as well, and still the same two counties under hurricane warnings, Wayne County and Sampson County, until further notice. Flash flood watch has been expanded to include Orange County and Durham County, also up into Franklin County, the same counties as yesterday, but Orange and Durham are new additions to that. Still talking about the potential of several inches of rain, but the latest data does indicate just a slight jog, maybe a little bit farther south. We're going to continue monitoring that. We're still watching the latest data coming in. We're not just looking at the storm and kind of eyeballing it. We're looking at a tornado watch that's just off to our east. That, I think, is going to be a concern as we head through the entire day with the threat of isolated, brief tornadoes. It's always a concern with any landfalling hurricane, but right now that watch does not include any of our counties in central North Carolina. So the impacts as we head through the rest of today, here's what we're looking at. Talking about anywhere from 4 to 10 inches of rain possible in the triangle. The farther north and west you go, the lower those amounts are going to be. And still looking at roughly a foot of rain for the Sand Hills and the southern coastal plain. I think the highest amounts will end up taking shape in southern Sampson County. The closer you get to the coast, the heavier the rain's going to be. 60 mile an hour gusts, so tropical storm force wind gusts can still cause some power outages. Isolated tornadoes, but tornadoes nonetheless, and that flooding is going to be likely as the rain continues to fall onto already saturated grounds. The first raindrops won't cause flooding, but additional raindrops on top of that certainly could. Going to get an update on the forecast path from the National Hurricane Center coming up momentarily, and we're going to get our computer to launch up here and keep you posted on the latest data. I'm going to send it back to the news desk right now as you guys are going to continue our coverage.